Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Walmart haul, and basically I picked up a lot of like Easter baskets and Easter basket ideas, like what to put in your Easter basket. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's more of a different style video that I usually do on my channel, but I like to have fun here. I thought this would be a fun video to do because Easter is around the corner before you know it, and I thought this would be a super cool video to do, to give you guys ideas what to get. And these are for like different ages, so I have some for like kids, I have one for a teenager and one for an adult. So I'm really excited to do this video and I'm gonna get right into it. But quickly guys, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Also, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and on LTK. I post a lot there. I will leave all the links down below along with everything that I'm going to show you. Just know that everything will be linked down below, so it'll be easier for you to shop. It's just one click away. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off with two already like made baskets. These are one of the baskets that Walmart has. So I got these baskets right here, and I'm planning on adding like certain things to them, but I got them for my nephews, and these are the monster trucks. So I got this one, which is like the blue truck. This is, like I said, already made. It comes with the basket. It has like some candy. I do want to add to it. You can add to it. You could put it on top right here, or maybe right here around the sides, and kind of make it your own. But this I thought was super affordable. It's only $12.88, and I really love it. So I had to get this one. And then I also got another one like this. It's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is the color of the truck is red instead of the blue, and the basket color is a little bit different. But I really love this. Again, it's $12.88, and I think this is really cool for, you know, if you are in a hurry. Let's say if you don't have time to really do like an Easter basket, I think this is the way to go. And then as you find other things, you can definitely add it in this basket, and that's why I really love it. Let's move on to the things that I got that I'm gonna actually build these baskets and build them. I'm actually gonna add things in this basket. So for the first basket, I got this one right here. This a really beautiful basket I got for my baby girl, and this one was $12.98. I just thought it was super cute, and I thought this is cute for if I ever do like a picnic with my girls or with whoever. I thought this would be a really cute picnic basket as well. So I love to get things that I know I'm gonna still use after. I don't like to always buy like Easter baskets every year, and I usually don't do like the Easter basket thing, but I decided to do it this year. I always tell my kids what the meaning of Easter is. Like I always tell them it's about Jesus' resurrection, but I like for them to have fun. And so yeah, anyways, point is I got this one. I thought this was super cute. It's really nice and spacious, really big. And for my baby girl, I'm gonna show you the things that I'm gonna put in her basket. I also got these two. Just wanted to quickly show you guys. These are also obviously from Walmart. Everything here is from Walmart. These are the plastic Easter grass. They had them in the purple, I think in the green, and some other colors, but I got this. This is only 98 cents, so I thought that was a great deal. I think that is always nice to, you know, start off your basket. And the thing that I am gonna put in the Easter basket for my baby girl is this right here. I think this is so fun. You cannot go wrong with this. Any kid will love this. It's basically a color mix lab. It's a steam bath toy, and it shows you how it's gonna work. It has these little, what is it called? These little tablets that change the color of the water. And I just thought this would be super fun. And then it has a picture right here, obviously how it would look. This was like $10, and I just thought it was super cool. It says that it's a drop and pour and twist. It's kind of interactive. They can play with it, you know, twist it and all that. So I love this, and it does show right here on top you could put two colors and then it will change into a different color. I thought that was fun, and it also teaches your kids about colors and color combination. It changes the color obviously. So this highly recommend. I thought this would be perfect for a girl or a boy. It doesn't really matter. Just so you guys know, are some things that I actually got from Dollar Tree. So For my baby girl, I only have like one item that is from Walmart, and a lot of the things are from Dollar Tree, like little toys. If you guys have not watched my Dollar Tree haul, I'm gonna link that one down below. It's basically Easter basket ideas as well, but from the Dollar Tree. So I do combine it, just so you guys know. That's the only one from Walmart. I know I'll probably get her more stuff from Walmart, but so far that's what I found, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And then for my daughter, my oldest daughter, she actually picked up quite a bit. And this is oldest daughter's basket. She chose this one. I thought this was really cool because you can reuse this basket for, I was actually thinking to reuse it for toilet paper, to put it and make it look nice. I was planning on removing this so it doesn't look so Easter-ish, you know what I mean? Then this one is also $12.98. It's a really nice sturdy basket. And you can also reuse it for like a plant, you know? So that's the reason why I like it, because you can, you know, use it for different purposes, and it's not just a one-day thing. That's just me. Like, I like to buy things that I know I'm gonna reuse. My daughter wanted some eyeliners, so I got her these two. I wanted her to try some eyeliner to see what she likes. I really like e.l.f. I recommended for her to get this. This is the No Budge retractable eyeliner in the color coffee. She wanted a brown eyeliner, so I got her this. This is $3. I heard really good things about it, so I had to get this one for her. And then I also got this one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil. And this is in the medium brown. It shows you like the color right here. It's like a more darker brown. So I'm gonna have her try it to see which one she likes more. I also got her this right here. This is the About Face Fuzz Free Hold and Go Groomers. These are really cool. They're like face shavers basically. I do recommend them, guys. These are really, really good. It comes in a 3-pack for $5. You cannot beat it, honestly. These are really good, and I thought that was cute because it does close, so you know you can use it for traveling and on the go. And it's really cute because it's pink. It says that it's gently smooths away facial peach fuzz, perfect for cheeks, chins, and foreheads, helps maintain eyebrows, exfoliates for easier makeup application and longer makeup freshness, unique safety guard for delicate skin, razors fold compactly to discreetly take anywhere. Then I also got her these nails. I actually got this for her and I. So these are the Kiss nails. These are the Salon Acrylic French Nude nails, and there's 28 of them. So I'm thinking both of us can use it because there's 28. So I thought that was really cool. I just love this. I think it's so pretty because more of a like a natural French tip. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's super, super pretty. It was like $6. So she wanted this. She likes more of a natural looking nails, and I wanted to get her these. Then I also thought this was so cool. I think for teens, every teen loves this because my daughter, she's 15, she's almost 16, and she's going through that stage where she likes body scrubs and stuff like that. It's just really fun. So I got her this. This is the Tree Hot Cocoa Colada Shea Sugar Scrub. Looks like this. It's really nice. It smells amazing, guys. It smells like coconuts. Like, if you guys like the smell of coconuts, you're gonna like this. And this one in general, the Tree Hut body scrub, is like one of the best body scrub there is. It is so good. I love it. I promise you will love it too. They have them in multiple scents, but this one was my daughter's favorite, so I had to get this one for her. And then, of course, you can't go wrong with throwing in some of their favorite candy. This is hands down one of my daughter's favorite candy. These are the Nerds Gummy Clusters. So they look like this. She actually got 2 of them, but she already ate one. So I was like, girl, you better not touch this till Easter comes around. She also got this. I thought this was really fun for teens because it's cool. You know, I think this is like really kind of like stress relief, and she says she likes it because it just feels nice in the hands. It feels cool. This is the Play-Doh Super Cloud, and it's a bubble gum scent. It does really smell like bubble gum, like straight up bubble gum. And let me show you guys how it looks. My daughter already opened it because, you know, she's impatient. I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with this girl? It looks like this. I just want to show you guys quickly how it looks. And it's like that. It's not like a regular Play-Doh. It's more like a cloud. It's kind of like spongy, cool, cold. I like it. I really like it. She's always been into Play-Doh, so I think this is really cool. And yeah, I got this for her. This is like $5. I think this is fun. If you don't really know what to get your teenager, you can't go wrong with these because they're really fun and it's interesting, you know. So I got her that. Then the last thing, this is kind of random, but you know, I think that it's worth mentioning. I don't know. You guys let me know. But my daughter wanted this, and I was like, okay. This is the melatonin sleep gummies. This is 100% drug free. It's safe. It says that it makes you fall asleep fast. It makes you stay asleep longer. And my daughter likes to use these sometimes when she can't sleep. If she like, you know, has a lot of homework or whatever, you know, a long day, she likes to take one of these and it does help her out. And yeah, I got this. This is with the strawberry. There's 90 gummies and it's like, I think it's like $6, really affordable. So I had to get this for her as well. I like to get my girls exactly what they like, even if it's something unexpected. I feel like with Easter baskets, get whatever you know that person wants to get, even if it's maybe something kind of unusual. It kind of will give them like a laugh. And it will be funny, like, oh my gosh, you got me this part of the Easter basket, thank you. But so funny and very unusual. But I don't know, I personally don't mind. I just like to throw it all in there, and there you go, you have everything you want, you know what I mean? So there's that. And then one more thing I recommend if your kid is a snacker, one of my daughter's favorite snack are Takis. So I got her some Takis. I actually love Takis as well, they're just so good. But yeah, I got her these. Yeah, there's that for my teenage daughter. And then one thing that I recommend for like an adult, I actually got this basket for my friend, and this basket was $2.98. So this is also from Walmart. One of the items that she's getting, she kind of, I think, has an idea that I'm going to get it for her. She really wanted these heels, and since she is an adult, I wanted to make like an adult style Easter basket. We're gonna do like an Easter exchange type of thing. It's like the first time we're doing it, and I thought it was fun. So first thing I got her are these shoes right here. I thought that was really fun. These are by Time and True, if you guys don't know. And just want to mention quickly, this dress is also by Walmart. It's under $14. Highly recommend. Really, really good. It's brand new for spring. I'll leave all the links down below, but I'm also gonna leave the links for this one. This she really wanted, so I had to get this for her. These are the Lock Heel Mules. It's in the like the natural straw material. Hopefully you guys can see that. They also have them in the color black, but she really wanted these, so I'm gonna give it to her. It's not much of a surprise because, you know, she kind of knows. I thought that was cool to start off like with the basket, to have like the shoes. It's really unexpected. You don't only have to put like candy. The other thing that I want to get her is probably like some chips. Her favorite are hot Cheetos. You can definitely like get them like their favorite snacks, their favorite candy. A fashion item. My friend is into fashion like me. And then the next item is this one right here. I'm gonna add it in her basket, just like put it somewhere there. I'm definitely gonna put like that little grass so it can, you know, be more fluffy. But she loves this. This is her favorite. This is my favorite. This is the e.l.f. Plus Glow Radiant Moisturizer, and it is with coconut and hyaluronic acid, and it has SPF 15. We love this for a good reason. It's one of the best moisturizers I've ever tried. It really does moisturize your skin, and the thing I love about it is that it has SPF 15, so it's perfect whenever you go out. I don't use this if I'm not going anywhere, but I always use it whenever I go out so I can protect my skin from the sun. And I do recommend you get this, guys. This is really good. It's $10. I was able to find this online before, but now they only have it in stores. But if in case you can't find this at Walmart, I'll leave the link down below for Amazon. It's because Amazon also has this for $10, same price, but you know, you can get it on Amazon. It's the best, guys. It does give you like a beautiful radiant glow. It makes you look super healthy from within. It looks like you're glowing from within. So this definitely is going to be also in your Easter basket. I'm also planning on putting some makeup, maybe like a pair of earrings. I'm planning on also adding like a perfume in there. Like I said, I'm gonna add some candy, some snacks. So this is just the beginning, but that's what I'm gonna put in this basket for her. I'm still accumulating stuff and putting stuff in there for her. The basket that I got for her is actually a pink basket. It's from Dollar Tree, and she loves pink. Pink is one of her favorite colors, just like me. Dollar Tree does also have like cute little baskets, but the reason why I like Walmart is because Walmart has like super big baskets. So if you know you're gonna make like if you're gonna add a lot of things in a basket, then you might want to check out Walmart. Like these two that I showed you, they have These are really big. You can fit a lot of stuff. But then they also have like different sizes of this one. But like I said, for my friend, she's getting a pink because pink is her favorite color. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys maybe got some ideas on how to build your Easter baskets for different age ranges. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.